Hey friends, if you wish to turn on or off Windows Firewall notifications on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So why would you turn it on? First of all, I'll show you the procedure and then the reason. So search for Windows Defender Firewall in the Windows search bar and click on Windows Defender Firewall. On the list on the left hand side, click on turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Now there's an option here which says for both public and private network, notify me when Windows Defender blocks an app. So if you wanted to notify, then turn it on for both public and private network. Otherwise, you can turn it off. So here's the thing. If you're turning off notifications, your system will be more peaceful. You won't get notifications of such blocks. But if you want to be notified whenever there is an intrusion into your system, then make sure that this option is turned on. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.